we have a fault code for the throttle body on this engine, and for now have light data 0.6 on sensor 1 and nothing on sensor 2. Check on wiring diagram. We have two position sensor. So on pin 2 we have the power supply 5 volts. Then on pin 6 we have the ground, which is brown and Schwarz. Brown is for ground, Schwarz is for power supply. Green and blue, they're gonna be sensor 1 and sensor 2. So let me bring the scope closer. I'm still gonna use oscilloscope technology. We go to 4 channel. I can use picoscope, but the software is too heavy for my laptop, and it's still gonna do the same thing. Okay, let me connect ground. Let's connect the power so we have some lights on the probe. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me see. So we need, we said black. It's gonna be power supply. Okay, let's go for the ground. Let's see what ground we have. So 23 millivolts for the ground. That's perfect. Let me move this one. Okay, let's see. So channel 1 is ground. Go for channel 2. I need to see the black wire, which is gonna be there on pin 4, I think. Let me double check. This one? Pin 2. Let me see what we have. We have pin 6 for oh yeah, pin 2 is here on the top. Let me see. Yeah, pin 2, we have 5 volts. And then, need one more. Green wire should be one of the signals. Be careful, everything is burning here. The engine is running. So that's one of the signals. 16 millivolts. Pin 3, 10 millivolts. Let me hit record. Find another probe because this is a bit beat up. That looks a bit better. I need to be honest with you, those are very sharp, and last time I had one in my finger. It's not very nice. Okay, what do we have here? 15 millivolts. I'm gonna rev it a bit to see if anything changed. Yeah, nothing changed. So on the green wire we have nothing, zero. Underneath, I will say here underneath should be the. Okay, I will stop the engine now. Yeah, check engine light, you see? Stop it. Ignition on. So 5 volts, that's good. Power supply, ground is good. Let me disconnect the plug. I can't see the other signal wire. So we are still here. Okay. Let me show you something. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put 1 volt. We're gonna put 1 volt. We're gonna set the limit 50 milliamps. Yeah. Power on the thing. So we have 1 volt here. I'm gonna connect the ground somewhere on the ground. Let's go to battery. And then we have 1 volt, but very low current, like 50 milliamps. That's safe if you do a short or something. And we're gonna go to the green wire, which is the signal. And look here, we have 1.14 volts, so 1.15 volts. So what does that mean? That means the green wire is good from here to the control unit, so you don't need to check nothing else. Yeah. So the problem is the signal is not coming out from the throttle body. We can go to the second one, which is gonna be blue on pin 1. On pin 1, this is pin 1 in the corner. That's gonna be the second signal. Look, you see? Look, I touch 1.14. Yeah. This is sensor 1. Sensor 2 is on pin 4. We're gonna touch 1.1426. So both of the wires are good. The wires for the control, they are good. So that's the only possibility will be the throttle body internal malfunction for the sensors. So I'm 100% confident on this. And yeah, you can use the power supply, but be careful. Look, if I'm shorting the power supply, look, the maximum will take 50 milliamps, and I can go, look, we can go for 10 milliamps. This is like crazy low. Look, 10 milliamps. Look, you see, 10 milliamps. So I have 1 volt, but I limit the current to 10 milliamps. Look, so with this current, you can't really damage any control unit. So yeah, very nice tool. You just need to know how to use it. And yeah, that's it for now, and see you next time.